Hi, girl, you just caught.
Sa nihaba-haba ng tulog ko,
Thought I should give it a
nakko,
try.
eto, ikaw pa rin ang iniisip ko.
Go
Naku,
grab some lunch and eat some cucumbers.
maganda ka ng salbabida kasi lulunurin na kita sa pagmamahal ko.
Something I like on your face. Yeah, it suits
Ang
you.
init ngayon, no?
Girl, we connect
Tara,
like we
dito ka sa puso ko, malamig. Nagpip-freezer.
drawn to you. Could you be the other one?
Marunong ka ba mag-ayos ng cellphone? Kasi tong iPhone key. Wala yung number mo.
Add then subtract.
Ate, nasa langit na ba ako?
You and I,
Para ka kasing anghel eh.
honey and share, honey and bears. Oh,
Teka lang,
and you
steady ka lang. Steady pa, steady. Yan. Parang gusto kasi kitang galawin eh. Diba? Parang nagagalaw kita. May kakambal ka ba? Kasi you're in my heart, yet you're in my mind. Ewan ko. Ayoko na sa sarili ko. Gusto mo? Sa'yo na lang ako.
tired 'cause you've been on my mind, running thousands and thousands of miles.
Pag naging subject ka, gusto ko, ikaw ang pinakamahirap. Para sa'yo lang ako babagsak.
On this starry night, loving the way the moonlight catches your
Eto tatandaan mo, hindi lahat ng buhay, buhay. Eto, tignan mo ako, buhay. Pero ano, patay na patay ako sa'yo.
I don't know why I'm drawn to you. Could you be the other one so we'd equal to? And this is all based on a lucky chance that you would rather add than subtract.